Do you know that people suddenly die because of the silent killer that we didn't even notice? Yes, mental health disorder can kill people. According to World Health Organizations, mental health disorder is some combinations of abnormal thoughts, emotions, behavior, and relationship with others. Examples of mental health disorder are schizophrenia, depression, intellectual disabilities, and disorder due to drug abuse. In general, there are three types of mental health disorder. Firstly, mood disorder such as depression and bipolar disorder. According to World Health Organizations, depression is persistent sadness and lack of interest or pleasure in previously rewarding or enjoyable activities. It can also disturb sleep and appetite. Also, tiredness and poor concentrations are common. According to Zeitgeist.com, bipolar disorder is cycling of emotional states between manic and depressive phases. Manic is extreme activities and depressive is sadness. Second type is psychotic disorder. Example for psychotic disorder is schizophrenia. According to Zeitgeist.com, schizophrenia is about hearing voices or having multiple personalities and a lack of ability to distinguish reality and can cause paranoia, also belief in elaborate conspiracies. Thirdly, trauma-related disorders such as post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. According to psychiatry organizations, PTSD is people who have experienced or witnessed a traumatic event such as natural disaster, a serious accident, a terrorist act, war, or rape, or who have been threatened with death, sexual violence, or serious injury. According to this data of 2013 from World Health Organizations, 350 million people globally suffer from depressions. Depressions account for 41% of all the years spent living with mental or behavioral disorder. Based on the data, 41% people suffer from depressions, 15% anxiety, 11% drug use disorders, 10% alcohol use disorders, and 7% schizophrenia. Based on this data also, twice as many women typically develop depression than men, but 3 times as many men die from suicide. According to this data on 2019, from World Health Organization, there are more than 100 million people suffer from mental disorders worldwide. 45 million people suffer from bipolar disorder and 20 million people suffer from schizophrenia. Secondly, I'm going to tell you about the causes of the mental health disorder. Firstly, common factors. According to HIV Care Connect, common factors are family history of mental health problems and other genetic factors. As we know, that genetic can be transmitted in making of zygote. Stressful life events including trauma, sexual and physical abuse, and psychological factors such as unhealthy thinking pattern, also trouble managing feelings. All of this kind can influence high level of stress and can lead to mental health problems. Next cause is people that living with HIV. People that battling with HIV having trouble getting needs services because of our mindset that we need to stay away from people that have HIV or HIV positive. Because of this mindset, the loss of social support and resulting in isolation. They also having difficulty disclosing HIV positive status and possibly facing stigmatizations and discrimination. And they can also change their physical appearance. To conclude, they scared to reach out for help and getting more stressed and feel lonely. Above all, we need to know about the impacts of the disorder. The first impact is heart disease. According to Mental Health Organization's United Kingdom, 3.2 million people living with severe mental illness and finding they were at a 53% risk for having cardiovascular disease. The risk of dying the disease was also 85% higher than people of a similar age in the general population. Second is cancer. High level of mental distress and an increased risk of dying from cancer. Researchers from University College London, Edinburgh University and the University of Sydney, they measured the mental health of people through questionnaires, indicating levels of depression and anxiety, who had not been diagnosed with cancer. They then followed those people up a 10 years average period and tracked whether they died from cancer and drawing the data from which cancer they died. I'm giving a talk about this topic to influence people more about mental health disorder. The importance of this knowledge is that there is always a chance to get better from anything that you deal and better with, including mental health problems. It's okay to not be okay sometimes. Reach people out to let them help you out from your situations. If before this talk you know nothing about these problems, now you know. It's better late than never, right? Always check your surroundings out because it might be anybody to get this kind of problems. Love your mental health and keep spread love. Thank you.